The Grand Palace Hotel. Welcome to the Grand Palace, an elegant adults-only resort in Hurghada, Egypt. In today's video, we will take you on a walking tour through this luxurious 5-star hotel, exploring its stunning territory and unique atmosphere. The Grand Palace promises a relaxing vacation for adults seeking comfort and tranquility. But before we dive in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified every time we upload a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even better content for you. So let's step inside and take a closer look at the hotel. Location. The Grand Palace is located in the heart of Hurghada, one of Egypt's most popular resort cities on the Red Sea coast. The hotel is located in the tourist area on the promenade, Mamsha Street. One of the advantages of this location is its proximity to the airport. Hurghada International Airport is only about 5 kilometers, around 10 minutes by car, from the hotel, making it a convenient choice for travelers looking for a quick and easy transfer. Now let's talk about the size and structure of the hotel. The Grand Palace covers an area of approximately 40,000 square meters, offering a spacious and beautifully designed environment exclusively for adults. One of the biggest highlights of the Grand Palace is its private beach. You don't need to cross any roads to reach the sea. Stretching approximately 400 meters in length and 80 meters in width, the beach offers soft golden sand and stunning views of the Red Sea. The beach shared among the Grand Hotel, the Grand Resort, and the Grand Palace Hotel. Now that we've covered the hotel's location and main features, it's time to take a walk and see its stunning territory and unique atmosphere for ourselves. Our journey begins right here, at the border between the Grand Hotel and the Grand Palace. The two hotels are neighboring resorts, but the Grand Palace is a 5-star, adults-only retreat, designed for guests who seek luxury, comfort, and a tranquil atmosphere. There are signs here that remind you that this is an adults-only hotel. As we enter the hotel grounds, we see is the building, a stunning example of Arabian-style architecture. Its grand arches, intricate balconies, and warm colors create a truly majestic atmosphere. Moving further, we come across the private pool residences, luxurious rooms with direct access to a private pool. It's the perfect retreat for those who enjoy exclusivity and relaxation. Right next to it, we find a cozy lounge area, where guests can unwind on comfortable sunbeds under shaded canopies. It's a great spot to enjoy a quiet afternoon. The wide-open area, lined with palm trees and elegant seating, is perfect for a peaceful walk. The design of this space makes it feel both luxurious and inviting. As we continue, we notice a small souvenir and convenience shop, where guests can find traditional Egyptian gifts. As we walk further, we approach one of the resort's highlights, its private beach. Here we can see beach regulations. The Grand Palace boasts a 400-meter-long sandy beach. The beach shared among the Grand Hotel, the Grand Resort, and the Grand Palace Hotel. The beach is lined with rows of sun loungers and umbrellas, offering plenty of shaded spots to relax. The sand is soft and golden, and the gentle waves of the Red Sea create a soothing background sound. Many guests enjoy spending their time here, taking in the fresh sea breeze or going for a refreshing swim in the crystal-clear waters. The beach area is spacious, so even during peak hours, it never feels overcrowded. The sea entrance is very good and gradual, making it ideal for those who prefer a gentle slope. However, there are no beautiful coral reefs or abundant fish in this area. To explore the underwater world, you can use the diving services offered by local dive centers. We're heading back to the hotel grounds now to explore it further. We are surrounded by tall palm trees, stylish sitting areas, and the elegant hotel facades. The atmosphere here is calm and relaxing. Soon we reach the pool area. The designer pool is surrounded by tropical greenery and elegant buildings, creating a picture-perfect setting. We see a luxurious swimming pool with in-water loungers, allowing guests to sunbathe while staying cool in the water. We're strolling along a beautifully paved pathway, enjoying the surrounding beauty. Lush green lawns line both sides of the path, adorned with vibrant flowers that add a splash of color to the scenery. Along the way, we notice stylish modern sunbeds with a geometric design, offering a comfortable and unique way to relax. A hotel cat is resting in the shade of a palm tree, These friendly cats are a part of the hotel's charm. Now we reach the beachfront, where we can admire the stunning view of the Red Sea. As we approach, we are greeted by a breathtaking view of the Red Sea. The golden sand stretches along the shore, inviting guests to take off their shoes and enjoy a barefoot walk. To our left, the paved promenade runs parallel to the beach, offering a scenic route for a leisurely walk. The fresh sea breeze and the sound of gentle waves make this one of the most relaxing spots in the hotel. From here, we get a clear view of the open sea, with small islands visible on the horizon. The calm, crystal-clear water shimmers under the bright sun, creating a mesmerizing effect. This is a perfect place to sit and take in the beauty of the Red Sea. As we continue walking, we enter the marina area. This part of the hotel has a unique and elegant design. Several yachts are docked nearby, gently swaying with the movement of the water. The marina gives the hotel a luxurious touch, as many boat tours and diving excursions start from here. Now, we slowly make our way back towards the main hotel area, savoring the leisurely pace and the gentle warmth of the afternoon sun. On our way, we pass by an elegant outdoor bar, a true oasis of relaxation. This is a great place to stop for a refreshing drink and simply soak in the ambiance. We're taking a leisurely stroll through the Grand Palace Hotel. The warm, earthy tones of the hotel's architecture blend seamlessly with the natural landscape, creating a sense of harmony and peace. One of the highlights of the hotel is its luxurious pools. Many rooms have direct access to the water, allowing guests to step right from their private terrace into the pool. These swim-up rooms provide an exclusive and relaxing experience. The pool water is crystal clear. Comfortable sun loungers are placed all around, offering guests the perfect spot to sunbathe, read a book, or simply enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The hotel's design seamlessly integrates nature and architecture, making the entire space feel open and airy. Now, we arrive at the resort's main pool area. This spacious swimming pool is the heart of the Grand Palace, offering plenty of room for both relaxation and socializing. Right by the pool, there is a bar where you can enjoy refreshing drinks, tropical cocktails, and light snacks. This part of the resort is perfect for those who enjoy both relaxation and activity. The pool is large enough to accommodate guests who prefer a quiet swim, as well as those who want to socialize and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Whether you're here to unwind with a cocktail, take a refreshing swim, this is the perfect place to enjoy your stay at the hotel. Walking further into the resort, we enter a more secluded and peaceful area surrounded by lush gardens. Here you can find cozy seating areas shaded by large trees with vibrant flowers, perfect for a quiet morning coffee or a romantic evening under the stars. The variety of plants and flowers add to the charm of this area, making it feel like a tropical oasis. The combination of nature and carefully designed architecture makes every corner of the hotel a delight to explore. We continue our walk through the Grand Palace, enjoying its beautiful landscapes, well-maintained pools, and elegant architecture. Lush greenery surrounds us, with vibrant flowers. To our left, several inviting pools stretch along the path. Guests can swim or relax on comfortable sun loungers placed around the water. The atmosphere is peaceful, with the gentle sound of water and tall palm trees providing natural shade. On our right, we can see the hotel buildings. The ground floor rooms have private terraces with direct pool access, offering a luxurious and exclusive experience. Large windows and balconies allow guests to enjoy stunning views of the surroundings. As we walk further, we come across a small waterfall. The sound of the cascading water adds to the tranquil ambiance. From here, we get a perfect panoramic view of the hotel's main pool area, with its stylish design and crystal clear water. We now head up to a higher level, where a restaurant is located to our right. A friendly hotel cat has already made himself comfortable here, enjoying the company of guests. Next to the restaurant is an exclusive terrace with elegant, soft seating. This is a perfect spot to relax with a coffee or cocktail while admiring the breathtaking view of the hotel grounds. The atmosphere here is both refined and cozy, making it an ideal place to unwind. After enjoying the breathtaking views from the terrace, we make our way back down and continue exploring the beautiful surroundings of the hotel. On our right, we pass by more hotel rooms, designed in an elegant and luxurious style. The ground floor suites have their own private terraces with direct access to the pool. Guests staying in these rooms can simply step out onto their terrace and take a refreshing dip in the water whenever they like. These rooms are perfect for those who enjoy a bit of exclusivity and convenience. To our left, we continue to admire the cascading waterfall that adds to the serene ambiance of this area. As we walk further, we find ourselves surrounded by tall palm trees, tropical plants, and vibrant flowers. The landscaping here is carefully maintained, creating a peaceful and inviting environment. The combination of greenery, natural shade, and open spaces makes this part of the hotel feel both refreshing and luxurious. Along the way, we come across a comfortable lounging area with soft sunbeds and shaded canopies. This is a perfect spot to relax, sunbathe, or simply enjoy the gentle breeze. Not far from the lounging area, we notice a small reading corner. We continue our walk through the beautiful grounds of the hotel, surrounded by tall palm trees, well-manicured gardens, and elegant pathways. The atmosphere here is peaceful and inviting, perfect for a leisurely stroll. As we move forward, we pass by spacious open areas with comfortable seating and shaded spots, offering a perfect place to relax and enjoy the fresh air. The architectural details of the hotel blend harmoniously with the surrounding nature, creating a luxurious yet cozy ambiance. As we walk further, the path leads us through a serene alleyway, lined with tropical plants and shaded by tall trees. The gentle rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds create a soothing background melody. To the right, we again see rows of stylish hotel rooms, each with its own terrace or balcony. Rooms on the first floor offer direct access to the pool, allowing guests to step directly into the refreshing water from their terrace. You can also meet a cute cat that lives on the property. This peaceful walk through the hotel's grounds showcases its perfect balance of luxury and nature, making it an ideal place to relax, explore, and enjoy a memorable stay. Conclusion and final thought. As we come to the end of our walk, it's time to share some final thoughts. In this video, we didn't do a full review of the Grand Palace Hotel. We simply explored its beautiful grounds, enjoying the peaceful atmosphere and elegant surroundings. It's worth noting that we stayed at the neighboring hotel, the Grand Hotel. And if you're interested in a full review of that hotel, we have a separate video covering everything in detail, from the rooms to the dining experience and amenities. The Grand Palace certainly leaves a great impression with its charming architecture, lush gardens, and relaxing ambience. It's a wonderful place for those looking for a quiet and luxurious getaway. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more exciting content like this. See you in the next video.